Okay guys, check it out. Mango and sticky rice. One of the more popular Thailand desserts, that's for sure, especially in tourist areas. We're getting one order, I think, to go. Nice looking mangoes. She's weighing it. Wow. I've never seen that done before. This is no normal sticky rice. It's cooked with coconut milk, I believe. Abbas? Coconut milk, yeah? In the rice have coconut milk?
You need.
Nothing to it. Let's see how much we actually get. It's going to be very small, judging by the rice. I've never seen it sold in such a small portion. Oh, maybe we get the full mango, I don't know.
Oh, okay. Yes.
Simple syrup of some kind, yeah? That's cheating. Corn. Dried corn? That's different as well. Uh-oh, broke the stapler. This is 50 baht. This is the tourist price. Very small and a little bit expensive. Let's see what it tastes like. Never seen them put simple syrup on it before. Look at the size of these mangoes. Okay, let's try it. A little different than I've ever added before, especially with the dried corn. I think it's corn. No, it's not. I don't know what it is. Some kind of seed. Okay, try the rice. Some kind of simple syrup she was putting on there. Make it sweet. Tastes like cereal. I don't like it. Try it with mango. That's why she's using simple syrup. These mangoes are force ripened. They're a long ways from their prime, that's for sure. They were very green, picked really early, and then force ripened. It's not very good. It's okay, but it's not nearly as good as any I've ever had before. I've seen lots of people doing this with durian. Exactly the same, but instead of mango, they put durian. That I've never tried. I'm not going to. The mango is flavorless. Really, it's flavorless. Nothing there. And the rice with the seeds in it tastes like breakfast cereal. This is straight out of the tourist area, Chiang Mai, you know? And we've had very bad luck buying food in a tourist area. Expensive. This would probably be 30 baht anywhere else. And it tastes like nothing. Disgusting. Well, at least disappointing, you know. More than anything, disappointing. Alright guys, well there it is. The worst mango sticky rice I've ever had. And I've had this a lot. I've never seen it with these nuts or whatever that is, some kind of grain in it. You put the simple syrup, it did nothing. Don't even taste it. Or I assume it was simple syrup. There's no extra taste to it at all. The mango has zero flavor. Very disappointing. Oh well. What can you do? I'll do better next time. Alright guys, well that's it. As always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't judge by the look of it. It looks good. It really does not taste very good. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't buy mango sticky rice from that lady. Very unfriendly too, you know. Didn't smile once. What's wrong with that? Welcome to tourist Thailand. Man, disappointing.